all the important muscles about which I will be talking in my workout videos. So let's start with chest muscles.
Let's talk about chest. We divided it into three parts: upper chest, middle chest, lower chest. For all the upper chest exercises, the position of the bench should be in inclined position. For the middle chest exercises, the bench should be placed in flat position. And for the lower chest exercises, the position of bench should be declined. Chest muscles are also called pectorals. Now let's talk about back. We can divide back muscles also into three parts. First one is tree. Tree belongs to rectus spine, that is lower back. Wings. Wings belongs to lats and teres. The last one, heart. Heart belongs to trapezius, also called upper back or middle back. Moving on to biceps. Biceps are divided into three parts: short head, long head,
and brachialis.
There are many pull exercises are performed to build biceps, like preacher curl, easy bar narrow grip curl, and hammer curl. Next are triceps. Triceps are also divided into three parts: lateral head, long head, medial head. All push exercises are done to build, like row push down, overhead dumbbell extension, close grip bench press. Now talking about shoulder. Deltoid muscle is the main muscle of the shoulder. There are three parts of delt: anterior head, that is front delt; lateral head, that is middle delt; posterior head, that is rear delt. There are many compound and isolation exercises for delt: upright rows, lateral raises, front raises, and rear pec deck. Moving on to abs. Abs are also divided into three parts: rectus abdominis, that is upper abs; umbilicus, that is lower abs; and obliques, which are further divided into two parts: serratus anterior, that is upper oblique; external oblique, that is lower oblique. Last part of the body are legs. Let's first talk about thighs. The upper part of the leg, that is thigh. The front part is known as quadriceps, and the back part of the thigh are known as hamstrings. The hip area known as glutes. The glute maximus is the largest muscle in the human body, and hip flexors in the front above the abductors and adductors all lies in the inner thighs. And the calf is the back portion of the lower leg, which is known as gastrocnemius. And the last muscle above the ankle is the soleus. That's all for the day. Thank you for watching. See you all tomorrow.